This is the Town Seal digital lock. We're going to reboot the digital lock. This will reset your lock to factory default code and erase all codes in the lock. First thing we do is remove the back cover. I have a special Torx wrench to undo the screws. Remove them. Remove the back cover. Okay, I have a battery, keypad cable, privacy switch cable, and power for the Mortis motor. We're going to unplug the battery. Unplug the battery first, and then unplug the privacy cable. The lock comes with a reboot connector. We're going to plug that into the privacy connector. Okay. And now we're going to plug in the battery to reset or reboot the lock. When we do this, we should get a red light followed by a green. So I'm going to turn this around so you can see. And plug in the battery. The red light followed by a green, and it's ready. We unplug the battery again, unplug the cable, plug back in the privacy connector. Now we press any key on the keypad for about 3 seconds. Just press a key, reset the lock, and now we're going to plug back in the battery, and you'll see this. A quick green light that indicates the lock is operational. Boom. The light and the lock is now operational and ready to program. So once we're done with that, put the cover back on. But now we have to redo the management code and add a master code. The unit defaults to a master code or a management code of 01 123456. The 01 means management code, so the 01 is the user code for management. So in order to change this code, we have to change it before we can use it. #1 is always the code for changing your code. So we'll start over. Press star anytime you make a mistake and start over. So we're going to change the code. #1. And we add the current or the factory default code, which is 01 123456, and we do it again, 01. This is for our new code, and we're going to do 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then 01, and then 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, that's our new management code. And I think we'll change this back to 1 2 3 4 5 6 so that it's the same as the factory setting. So we'll change it again. #1 01 and the current code 1 2 3 1 2 3, and we'll change it back to a factory code of 1 2 3 4 5 6. 01 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 01 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now the management code is 01 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we're going to add a master code. #2 is a programming code for adding another user. Start over again. Anytime you make a mistake, hit the start button. So we're going to add a master code. The master code is going to be 02 1 2 3 4 5 6. So #2, adding a code. Put in your management code. Current code is 01 1 2 3 4 5 6. And now we're going to add a master code of 02 1 2 3 4 5 6. And we'll add another code, same thing, to confirm 02 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's your new master code, and I'll punch it in 02 1 2 3 4 5 6, and it won't function because it's a temporary code. You've got to change that code in order to use it. So to change the code, #1 is the programming code for changing a code. So #1, and we add the current code, which is 02 1 2 3 4 5 6, and whatever you want the new code to be. We're going to make it 02 1 2 3 1 2 3, and confirm it 02123123. That's your new master code, and if we punch that in again, 02123 it should open the lock. So now you've set a master code and a management code, the lock's ready to use again. We're going to change the master code to the factory default of 021234566. So change the code, #1, enter your current code 02123 and add your new code. It's 021234566 and then 02 to confirm 123456. That's your new code. We'll check it out. 123456 and it opens the lock. So your lock is reset with those two codes. The management code will not open the door, but you can add and delete users with it, and then the master code, which you can also add and delete users and use it to open the lock.